Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is another tutorial look. I was going out and I wanted to recreate the other eye for you guys. I hope you like it and let's get started. So I already primed and I'm using my Makeup Forever Flash palette. I'm definitely going to use the black one. Just use any like black cream product so that you can make your eyeshadow stick. And I like using black because it just makes the shadows, because the shadows are like duochrome, it brings out that duochrome effect. So you can even use your black eyeliner and it will be, fine enough. So on this day was like Women's Day and I wanted something like powerful so I can go out to dinner with, and it looked so amazing and I got so many looks. People were just looking at me and I just like loved it because I know my makeup was bomb. Anyways, as you're creating your shape, make sure you cover your whole eyelid like you're gonna do a cut crease, but it's gonna be a little bit above your cut crease so that you can't see that whole lid section when we do cover it with shadows. So you can see I'm just carefully dragging it up and down so I can have that sharp effect, so that it's easier when you drop it up and down than dragging it from side to side, because you could like mess up a straight line. So from just bringing it from up to down, bringing it on the side, you're gonna make it like a wing, like you're doing a big wing, and you're gonna join it together. And just make sure that black is a sticky black, it doesn't dry fast because we're going with the eyeshadow later, and just making sure it matches. It's okay if your line is not perfect because we're going to draw it with the eyeliner afterwards, but just cleaning up and creating the shape, the wing shape, as much as you can. So I'm going with a Danessa Myricks pigment. This is evergreen. I love her pigments. They're really, really nice. And I have like two of them. So this is the evergreen one. And I wanted to put the green one right in front. And I'm just patting it in so you can have that black base like stick on it. This is the artisanal pigments evergreen, and I'm just patting it so I can get the most payout of this pigment. And you can see that very like shimmery chromy kind of pigment, so that black base does bring out its chromeness, its colorness. So that's why I suggest using a black, but you can use any color just to manipulate the effect, the finish, anything you want. But this is what I wanted to try, and I'm just carefully placing it. You can see I have folds on my eyelids, so I have to like stretch my eyelids and tap it and tap it and tap it so I can get the best payout out of it. And just keep on tapping it so you can get, and just drag it to the middle because we're going to put another color right in the middle. So just drag it in the middle, so when you put that third color in the middle, it will just help blend everything together. So just pretty much put your eyelids on the 3 section and cover the first section of your eyelids. I hope you guys like this voiceover. I can only do voiceover when I'm recording, and I know that I'm gonna get a lot of noise distractions, so this was one of the days. Now I'm gonna use the other pigments called Sequin. Danessa Myricks pigments called Sequin, and it's a beautiful blue, like a little, just a actual blue color, and I'm just putting it on the outer part and covering that whole wing area. So make sure you're using a flat brush. You could wet your eyeshadow just to give it even more chrome look, so it won't be so powdery, but because I had that black sticky base, it's gonna stick on it and just make it lay down flat, not powdery and smooth. So if you don't have a sticky base, you could definitely wet your shadows, but I have a sticky base so I don't have to wet it. And I'm just covering the whole outer part and tapping and dragging. Just be careful because I already have my face done, just try not to get as much fallout as possible. And you can see how beautiful this shine is. This shine is just so truly beautiful. Freaking love it. You know, Danessa Myricks. You guys should just check her out because she is the bomb makeup artist. She really is. And I'm gonna use an Inglot pigment right now, and is the pure pigment eyeshadow in 125. It's so beautiful. I love this shadow because it's like pink duochrome. When you turn to the side, you see some gold effect in it. Also, it's just beautiful. And I'm just gonna put that right dead in center and just pat it, pat it, pat it, because I want the best payout of this shadow. So I'm just patting it, I'm patting it, I'm patting it. This is such a beautiful shade. You guys should just check out this English shadow. And I'm doing it in an angle way where it's like the top is towards the outer part of my face and the bottom is towards the inner part of my face. So just to give it that diagonal look, not straight on down. So I'm just using I just wiped up my flat shaded brush to help blend the sides. And when you do that with two duochrome shadows, it just creates a whole new like shadow and makes you look like you did so much work when you didn't, just by blending two duochrome shadows. And I'm just gonna like really like coat my eyelashes using the eyelashes you have. I'm using the Makeup Forever lashes sample ones. I'm just coating it because we're going to use a very natural lashes on top. And make sure you coat the bottom too. Do not forget the bottom. The lashes I'm going to use is going to be the Ardell Wispies, not the Demi Wispies, the regular Wispies, because it's very natural. But I like the regular Wispies because they are long. The Demi Wispies are just shorter and just too natural for me. If I want a natural lashes, I want it natural but still long enough. That's the whole point of lashes, to make your eyelashes longer than normal. So I'm just gonna had fallout. I'm just trying to clean it up and use powder and set it up. So now I'm gonna go back with my eyeliner. Use a nice sharp good eyeliner, and I'm just gonna follow the lines of that cut crease. I'm using the Clinique eyeliner. If you're wondering, it's called Pretty Easy Liquid Eyeliner Pen. And when you use an eyeliner for like a long time, it starts losing its juice, and you just need to like shake it up, you know, keep it upside down for the fluid to come, and nobody got time for that. So I definitely use my Anastasia ABH eyeliner, the gel eyeliner. I just use the pen because it's a nice good pen, and dipped it in my gel liner to help trace that liner. And that's a trick way to do an eyeliner. If you don't have an eyeliner pen, just use your gel eyeliner or liquid eyeliner and just be very steady with your eyes, with your hands, so you don't make a mistake. And if you do make a mistake, just go over it again with a shadow, or go over with your foundation if it's outside that shadow. So just being very careful and just tracing it. And when it comes to the wing area, you're gonna cover it, but you're gonna also make that a sharp edge, so it could look very like crispy and sharp. So just take your time and do this. And I like gel eyeliners because it just dries quickly. So I'm just gonna use that same Anastasia gel liner and create my dots. That's the gel eyeliner because I was losing juice on my gel pen, and just create my dots. Since I'm using the pen, I have to make sure the circles are as clean as possible. So I just point it and rotate my pen so that it can create that circle shape. Some people have those tools, that ball tool tip, that you could just like tap on your skin and it creates that circle shape. I don't have one that small, so I'm just using the pen, pointing it. It's not the exact same amount of dots on the other side, but I just I just measure it with your eye and just look at it and make sure it makes sense with the amount of space you put in between. And honestly, that's what I did. Nobody got time to be counting dots and matching it perfect to perfect. Nobody eyebrows is perfect, so hey, it's okay. It's visibly pleasing, so it doesn't have to be perfect. So I'm just following the natural shape of this eye look. So from the inner corner all the way to the top, then angle to the very tip. I'm using my beautiful lashes. It's I got it's a very natural lashes. It's makeup by Sheila Edition lashes, flutter lashes. I'm so sorry. I said I was gonna use the Ardell one, but it wasn't. It's the flutter lashes by makeup by Sheila. And I'm just pinching it with my eye, with my hands, because these are very natural lashes for me. It's very like wispy at the end, but it is beautiful. And I'm using the Elevation Danessa Myricks bottom lashes. It was so hard to find a bottom lashes that I would like. It doesn't look too fake or plastic, and Danessa has the best bottom lashes ever. Trust me when I say I've been looking and I couldn't find any, and I found hers and I was just in love. So I'm using my Makeup Forever Flash palette again, and I'm using that white cream eyeliner. White cream as my waterline eyeliner just to brighten the eye, because we have so many colors and darkness going. And I'm using a white shadow from the Balm just to set that cream liner on the waterline, because if you don't set it with a powder, your cream eyeliner will crease. It's not a self-setting cream eyeliner, so you do need to set it with powder. And you can use a translucent powder if you don't have a white shadow, but I have a white shadow just to help the whites even brighter, and just set it. And I got some shadow on my lashes, just going back to my mascara to like darken in those white fallout on the lashes, so it can just look so clean. It's better if you do your waterline before your bottom lashes, but hey, I didn't, and this is how to fix it. And I just giving you face, and I'm done. I just want you guys to see and love this look. I hope you love this. I hope you love this look. Make sure you subscribe, like, share, comment if you love it. Thank you guys for so much for watching, and I love you guys. Bye.